Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. This is part 8 of our HTML for Beginners tutorial series, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make graphics with SVG. So in HTML there are two main ways you can create graphics. The first one is with the canvas and the second one is with SVG. And SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and they're vector-based graphics in XML format. And so the way you start making SVG graphics is you must have the SVG tag, but then you also must specify a width, and so I'll set that to 400, and a height. I'll set that to 400 as well. And so if you save this and reload your page, as you can see, you can't see anything just yet because the SVG has no border. So if you want to be able to see the bounds of your SVG and where it's laid out on the page, you can just hop into your main.css file, and then set a style for the border. So we'll set that to 5 pixels, solid black. Once you save and reload, as you can see, the 400 by 400 SVG is right there on the document. So if you head back into tut.html, then if you want to actually draw shapes to this SVG, all you need to do is specify a tag. So for example, circle CX we'll set to 50, which is the X coordinate of the center. CY we'll set to 50 as well, which is the Y coordinate of the center. And the radius we'll set to 100. Actually, let's set that to 50. And then we'll make the fill equal to red. So as you can see, a 50 by 50 or a 50 radius circle appears at the X coordinate of 50 and the Y coordinate of 50 on the page. And you can draw lines, rectangles, circles. So for example, a rectangle, use the rect tag, and then we'll say X is equal to, let's say 300, Y is equal to 300. We'll set the width to equal 40, and the height will equal 30. And let's make the fill yellow. So if we reload, as you can see, a 30 by 40 rectangle appears at that coordinate. And so this is just a basic overview of how to draw SVG graphics to the document, but in future tutorials I'll show you how you can animate SVGs with the animate tag, and how you can create more complex graphics using SVG. But for now, that's all there is to this tutorial. Thanks for watching. This has been Steam Code. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and you can check out our GitHub, Patreon, or the other links that are in the description if you want to support the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.